Today is a very special day for cinema, so there is no tutorial, it's time to get educated about the most important moment that changed the history of cinema forever. Just exactly 33 years back a miracle was made, and a lazy person was born. Although he was born 33 years back, he is still at the age of 21, and will stay there for some decades. The Academy was excited about him. Uma Thurman fell in love, Christopher Nolan was crying, and Tarantino decided to make only 10 films. Some of the greatest directors are calling him the next Scorsese, but we all know that he is much more handsome. So, happy birthday to me. Probably at this moment I'm partying with my celebrity friends, but I have a gift for you, the mere mortals. Go to my Ko-fi page, and download my film look pack, that was inspired from my favorite movies. The only cinematic part of it is the names, but let's pretend that it is a real film stock emulation. After all, it's free, you just need to send me some bitcoins.